This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your current R version and package inventory so you know what to replace. Open R or RStudio, run session info, and save the installed packages list to a file. This preserves your setup. Once done, verify operating system compatibility and free disk space. Make sure package binaries or source builds match your OS. You should also close other R sessions and note any custom library paths, because the installer will need clear targets and you want to avoid permission conflicts. You now perform the installation. Run the R installer you downloaded and accept defaults unless you use a custom library path. Install as administrator to avoid permission issues. Once the base R is updated, start R and point to your previous library if needed. Use update. Packages, check built equals true, ask equals false to rebuild packages compiled under the prior R. Then reinstall any missing packages from your saved list with install. Packages. This ensures compiled code and dependencies match the new R. You finish by validating your environment, run critical scripts and session info to confirm R and package versions. If you see binary mismatches, rebuild specific packages from source or use DevTools. Install version for known working versions. Make sure lib paths points to the intended library and that file permissions allow writes. If things go wrong, reinstall one problematic package at a time and inspect error messages. Often missing system libraries or permissions are the root cause, and addressing those resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.